Many children have no food to eat, and these children are starving for education. It is alarming that 57 million children are deprived of education. They cannot go to school. This must shake our conscience. Girls have been a target of sexual violence and abuse, and they are only limited to the four boundaries of their houses. There is no freedom, but still there is hope. I am hopeful the European Parliament will look beyond Europe to the suffering countries where people are still deprived of their basic rights. The powerful country shall not be judged by counting its soldiers and navy, but rather we must see which country has the highest literacy rate, which country has more educated people, which country has provided the basic rights to its citizens. A country with talented, skillful, and educated people is the real superpower, not the country with tons of soldiers and weapons. I'm hopeful that through our unity and determination, we can achieve our goals and help those 57 million children who are waiting for us. And these children, they do not want an iPhone, an Xbox, a PlayStation, or chocolates. They just want a book and a pen. Thank you so much.